one. So come on in, like, comment, subscribe. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Cooking good. Hey y'all, I'm so proud of my little fishies we caught today. Y'all, we caught these all today. Let me grab a glove. I got a little extra water in here I need to pour out. Just seen the hubby cleaned them for me because I'm in here still cooking all the rest of the food. So, a big shout out to the hubby. Thanks, love. Mustard. Good amount. Some all-purpose Cajun seasoning. A little bit of salt. That's it, that's all. In this bag. The bag that we're going to dredge our, this is some cornmeal. I use whatever I have. This is a mix. It's yellow and white cornmeal mixed together. 4, 5. I'm gonna add 1 of flour and a half cornstarch. Crispy. Trick. That's it. That's all. A little bit of Oowhee, and I think it's just a I love the parsley flakes in this. I really do. And like I said before, put that there. That's our air fryer. But we're heating this grease back up because we got some new grease, because that grease over there was really dirty from the flour. So I'll be back, y'all, when it's time to drop the pot. Well, y'all probably like, man, you got all those fryers and whatnot. When I be cooking, I don't like to use dirty grease. So if I'm just cooking for me and the hubby, I'm putting the big ones down first, 3. Hey y'all. So we just got back from fishing and I'm about to throw some food together. The hubby's outside. I look a hot mess as per usual since we are quarantined. So here I had some chicken that was marinating in some buttermilk. Well, buttermilk and the spices from the freezer that I did that 40-pound bag of that 40-pound box of chicken I cleaned and put in the freezer. So I haven't seasoned these yet. I took those out. The rest of the drumsticks, I took them off the bone, and we're going to air fry these. This is just Oowhee blackening. We have some oil that has been already seasoned. That just means I used it before. Sauce those in. before we do this chicken, because we're going to fry it, I'm going to go ahead and do my sides real quick and get them in the oven. We have some baby red potatoes in here, and we have our herb butter that we use from our other recipe. Which one is that? That's when we had our steak. So that's all that's in here, and we've already boiled these. 1 spoonful of all-purpose Cajun seasoning, Oowhee. We're gonna throw these right in the air fryer along with that chicken, y'all. Put a little bit of oil in there. Make them crisp up real nice. Our air fryer pan. We're gonna just throw these right on in the air fryer. Potatoes on top. Got some corn. When I say all you need is that Oowhee all-purpose seasoning blend, and you good to go, man, I put that on everything. Okay, this is my Oowhee mixed with some ranch seasoning. This is what I use for my chips. If you want that recipe, I did make some homemade chips on my channel, and that's that blend that I made together. This is ranch and Oowhee Cajun seasoning mixed together. Some pepper. And I'm also going to throw this in the air fryer once it gets room. I got that good old seasoned corn. They can't tell me my food is bland. I got that Oowhee kick. This is all-purpose flour. 3, 4. Cornstarch. Just gonna do 1 heaping of cornstarch. Probably use the rest of this on our potatoes when they come out, so I'm gonna slide that over there so I don't accidentally use it in this bag. Back here, we'll be doing 1 tablespoon of that Oowhee Cajun seasoning. Like bland food, guys. I don't like it, and I don't like salty food. I just like for it to have some flavor. So some of that Oowhee. And then we're gonna just throw them right on in there. up if y'all don't want to. And then I throw it right back into that milk. I'm gonna do half and half. Basically, half of it will be double batter and the other one won't, and we'll see what it do. What is the difference? Alright, y'all, we're about to grab some of this chicken out of this oil. This is our double fry right here. There you have it. We're gonna keep going. Potatoes out for a minute. And let those chickens have fun by themselves. They'll cook faster that way. Alright, y'all. So this is our second batch. Last batch of chicken. And because please like, comment, subscribe. Be a part of the Oowhee Army. Because over here, we like to feed people's bellies. I'll see y'all later. Bye! Hi guys. Welcome back.